Live a Slack channel. Wrapping up a project, instead of deleting your channel or losing history, archive it like a pro. Step 1. Go to open your Slack app, then go to the channel you want to archive. Simply open it or simply hold on it. There you'll see nothing can be done. Simply tap on it, and then over there you can if you hold the name hashtag and dot your name, simply hold on it. There you can see message add canvas, but you won't find any of the option. You'll find it in the three dot icon, so simply tap on it. There you can see the option of archive. Simply tap on it and confirm it by again tapping archive. Like this, you have archived the channel. Pro tip: archiving keeps all the messages, files, take, and conversations safe. Only workspace admins or owners can unarchive later. So double check before hitting that button.